Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and tools in the world of AI and online business. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with AI in 2026, and I'm excited to share with you my top 5 AI tools that have generated $1,000 in just 60 days. First, let's talk about the potential of AI in making money online. With the rise of AI technology, it's now possible to automate many tasks and processes and create passive income streams. Method 1 is using AI-powered affiliate marketing tools, such as AI Affiliate, which uses machine learning algorithms to optimize your affiliate campaigns and increase your earnings. For example, I used AI Affiliate to promote a digital product and made $200 in just 1 week. Method 2 is selling digital products created with AI tools, such as AI Writer, which uses natural language processing to generate high-quality content. I used AI Writer to create an ebook and sold it on Amazon, making $300 in just 1 month. Method 3 is using AI-powered online course creation tools, such as AI Course, which uses machine learning to create engaging and interactive online courses. I used AI Course to create a course on affiliate marketing and made $500 in just 1 month. Bonus tip: use AI-powered social media management tools, such as AI Social, to automate your social media campaigns and increase your online presence. Finally, I want to invite you to take action and start using these AI tools to make money online. Remember, the key to success is to be consistent and patient, and to always keep learning and improving. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on AI and online business.